Hello, this is Online Q's YouTube channel for online queries. In this video, I will show you how to download and set up YouTube Kids app account on your device. First, go to Play Store and then search for YouTube Kids. Then download the app. Once the download is complete, launch the app and enter your birth year. Now choose the Gmail account that you want to use in order to set up the YouTube Kids account. Enter your Gmail account password. Now enter your kid's name, age and birth month. The YouTube Kids account setup is complete. Now you can hand your mobile to your kids to play kids videos on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel.